Okay, this is an example of student point of view in Zoom platform during hybrid teaching. I believe for Google Meet or MS Team is more or less the same. The event is conducted hybrid. Somebody attend physically, as you can see here. There are somebody in the venue, and also the rest is online. As you can see, I in the what we call in Zoom meeting now. So the setup requires two devices. That is the smartphone and also the laptop. The what we call the smartphone is used to project the live image in the class, while the laptop here, the one in the yellow border, is used to project the slide and also to capture the sound, the microphone lah, source of the microphone. So for this, you need to make sure both of your laptop, this thing, and also your smartphone, this thing, must be connected to the Zoom. Okay, and make sure your phone have enough battery and data lah for doing this thing. In order for the student to experience the live session and the slide simultaneously, what student can do is that you can pin this thing. The student can pin this thing, and then you can see, you can have side by side. You can just open and what we call make it bigger, make it small, and so on, depending on what you want to focus. So that's how you can do lah. Student can do. So you need to teach them a little bit lah about this, how to use this thing, how to pin the video. In this case, as you can see, that if you use the laptop, it's much better experience for them lah, because the laptop have bigger screen. If the student watch the live session, attend the hybrid session using their phone, maybe they are too small to see. So how can you apply this thing in the class? So in the class, this thing, instead of projecting this thing, you can project your phone towards the whiteboard. Okay, because you want to write something on the whiteboard, right? So in this case, you don't need to capture. You don't need to use your phone to what we call to project the entire class, entire whiteboard, and also the slide projection, because you don't need to, because for the slide, whatever you project in the class, you can always use the share screen functionality in any platform lah, and this is from your phone lah, I think this is the simplest setup if you want to do the hybrid setting without thinking about all the technicalities lah. So if I try to unmute this thing, you can hear a little bit lah.
But also, inshallah, to be able to be a good Muslim in the future. So with that, let's end our event today with recitation of Surah Wal-As and Tasbih.
So that's basically how it's look like lah. The student online can hear what you can see just now. You can hear what they say, and also student in the class can also hear what they say lah in the class. So I think that's it. This is the simplest setup. Use two things, the laptop and the smartphone. Make sure you have data for both of them.